If picking the wrong fishing kayak in 2026 sounds expensive, it is. I researched the market and found the 8 best fishing kayaks, from $550 to flagship level. Every budget is covered. Hit subscribe, check the links below, and let's get into it. Tier 1. Budget fishing kayaks, $550 to $650. Product number 1. Lifetime Tamarack Angler, 100 for $599.29. The Tamarack is the lightest kayak here at just 52 pounds, and that makes solo car topping achievable. Key specs: 10 feet, 275-pound capacity, flat bottom with stability chine rails, 3 rod holders including a swivel bow mount, 2 sealed hatches. Stability on flat water is solid, and the stern skeg helps it track straighter than most 10-footers. Here's what they don't tell you. The 275-pound limit is reached quickly once gear is loaded. The stock seat pad needs replacing, and there are no gear tracks, so accessories require drilling. Best for lightweight beginners on ponds and calm lakes. Not for heavier anglers with full gear loads, or anyone wanting drill-free customization. The lightest entry in this lineup. Product number 2. Pelican Catch Classic Angler for $599.99. For $1 more, here's what the Pelican gives you that the Lifetime doesn't. Key specs: 10 feet, 350-pound capacity, tunnel hull, ErgoCast dual-position seat high-low, 2 flush mount rod holders, dual accessory rails, Ram X construction. That tunnel hull is a genuine stability upgrade for stand-up casting, and the high-low seat is meaningfully better than the Tamarack's thin pad. The reality check: no built-in skeg means constant wind corrections. The 350-pound max drops to roughly 245 usable pounds loaded, and 58 pounds can challenge solo car topping. Best for anglers who stand a cast and want accessory rails. Not for open windy water or heavier paddlers with full loads. More capacity, accessory rails, better seat. Smarter Tier 1 buy. Tier 2. Mid-range fishing kayaks, $850 to $950. Product number 3. Pelican Catch Mode, 110 for $879.99. The Mode 110 delivers one feature both Tier 1 kayaks completely lack: a retractable stern skeg, and it transforms open water behavior. Key specs: 10 feet 8 inches, 375-pound capacity, ErgoBoost 3-position seat, 2 4-inch gear tracks, retractable skeg, anti-slip deck carpet. 8 extra inches of hull improves straight-line tracking noticeably, and the 3-position seat adds real versatility over anything in Tier 1. Here's the catch: the suspension seat shifts sideways during paddling. The skeg can only be raised manually from shore, and footrests max out at 6'2". Best for intermediate anglers wanting better tracking and seat comfort. Not for paddlers over 6'2" or anyone wanting pedal propulsion. The retractable skeg alone justifies the step up. Product number 4. Perception Kayaks Outlaw, 11.5 for $929. The Outlaw does something no other paddle kayak here manages. It puts you 16 inches above the deck for the highest sight fishing vantage in this lineup. Key specs: 11 feet 6 inches, 425-pound capacity, 16-inch elevated fold-away seat, open walkable deck, 2 double-barrel rod holders, 3 solo mount recesses requiring no drilling. Sternwell fits a 35-liter cooler. The walkable deck and fold-away seat make stand-up transitions effortless, and 425 pounds is the highest capacity of any paddle kayak here. The downsides. Fixed footrests create fit problems outside average height. No dry hatch on the boat, and 77 pounds is heavy to car top solo. Best for sight fishers and bigger anglers needing 425-pound capacity. Not for paddlers outside average height. Halfway through, if this is saving you from a bad purchase hit, like and drop your budget in the comments. I'll reply with my exact pick for you. Tier 3. Premium Fishing Kayaks. $1,150 to $1,300. Product number 5. Real Yaks Raptor Modular Fishing Kayak for $1,199. This is it. This is my personal pick. Key specs: 9.5 feet modular 2-piece hull, 62 pounds total, 31 pounds per section, 380-pound capacity, fin drive pedal system, gear tracks, made in USA. This is the only pedal kayak in this lineup that fits in a car trunk. No roof rack, no trailer, no truck. The fin drive is whisper quiet in shallow water, and at 31 pounds per half, even anglers with back issues can carry it solo. What you need to know: the short hull loses speed in open wind. Latches need tightening before each launch, and the seat has only 2 positions. Best for urban anglers without trucks and freshwater fishing where quiet pedal drive matters. Not for open water fishing or buyers needing established parts support. Portable, pedal-driven, made in the USA. Nothing else here solves all 3 buying mistakes at once. Product number 6. Pelican Catch High Drive 2 Premium Angler for $1,299.99. If the Raptor's modular design makes you nervous, here's the Pelican alternative. Pedal drive from a proven brand. Key specs: 10 feet 6 inches, 67 pounds, 350-pound capacity, high drive 2 pedal system, hand-controlled rudder, 4 gear tracks, 3 flush mount rod holders, ErgoCast G2 seat. The High Drive 2 is smoother than its predecessor and tops out around 5 miles per hour under hard effort. Pelican's service network offers parts support the Raptor can't yet match. The trade-offs: standing stability is poor, the hull is not built for it. There is no integrated transducer mount, so fish finder wiring runs exposed, and rudder cables have noticeable play in crosswinds. Best for first-time pedal buyers wanting a known brand on calm fresh water. Not for anglers who stand to fish or anyone wanting clean fish finder wiring. Solid seated platform, limited beyond it. Tier 4. Luxury Fishing Kayaks, $1,500 to $4,000. Product number 7. Real Yaks Raider Modular Fishing Kayak for $1,599. The Raider is everything the Raptor is except 14 feet long, convertible for 2, and with reverse. Key specs: 14-foot modular 3-piece hull, 530-pound capacity, propeller drive with reverse, 2 drives, 2 seats included, 5 gear tracks, 6 flush mount rod holders. The 14-foot hull tracks dramatically better than the Raptor on open water, and prop drive reverse is a real advantage at docks and tight river turns. The downsides: the middle section weighs 46 pounds heavier than the Raptor's 31-pound halves. The prop drive catches in thick weeds, and parts availability from this newer brand carries risk. Best for partners wanting one tandem pedal kayak that fits in a car. Not for solo anglers in shallow, weedy water. Tandem pedal without a trailer. Product number 8. Old Town Sportsman 106 for $3,699.99. This is the most accomplished fishing kayak in this lineup. Key specs: 10 feet 6 inches. W pontoon hull, 77 pounds. 500-pound plus capacity. Premium textiline seat high-low. Universal transducer mount. 2 by 18-inch gear tracks. Ethylene vinyl acetate foam deck pads. Replaceable skid plate. Roto-molded in Maine, USA. The W hull delivers a genuinely different class of stability. The universal transducer mount means clean fish finder installation with no drilling required. A level of readiness nothing else here matches. The honest truth. The low bow floods in chop over 1 foot. This is not an open water kayak, and seat adjustment requires retying straps on the water. Best for freshwater anglers wanting a fish finder ready platform. Not for coastal or choppy open water. Gold standard of compact fishing kayaks. All right, the winners. Best value. Pelican Catch Classic. Most features per dollar, including accessory rails and stand-up stability. Best for standing. Perception Outlaw, 11.5. Highest seat vantage and widest open deck. Best pedal value. Real Yaks Raptor. Only pedal kayak here fitting in a car trunk. Best premium. Old Town Sportsman, 106. W stability and transducer-ready setup built in Maine. Skip this. Pelican Catch High Drive 2. Poor standing stability and no transducer wiring when the Raptor does more. My personal pick? Real Yaks Raptor. Pedal drive, modular transport, made in the USA, solves all 3 buying mistakes. All 8 links are in the description, organized by tier. If this saved you from the wrong kayak, smash subscribe and drop a comment with which one you're getting or what water you fish. I reply to every comment. See you next time.